Hello students, see this is the diagram of animal cell. Okay, here one most important things there. Animal cell has no cell wall, but in case of plant cell there is the presence of cell wall because of their rigidity. Okay, now see one by one function of organelle here. First is our nucleus. This is our nucleus. It controls all the organelles which is present inside the cell. Okay, now second is Golgi apparatus. Okay, here Golgi apparatus, it is made up of stalk of tube like structure. Here you may see here stalk, this like structure of Golgi apparatus. Okay, made up of stalk of tube like structure called vessels. They are called vessels, and this is responsible for the secretion of chemical substances. It may be hormones, proteins, or other enzymes. Okay, now next see about the mitochondria. It's very important part of the cell. These are small rod like structure, or sometimes it also can be seen spherical like structure. Okay, and they oxidize food to provide energy and are therefore called the powerhouses of the cell. Mitochondria is known as powerhouses of the cell. Why it is called powerhouses of the cell? Because it provides the energy to the or other organelles. Okay, now next see about the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, here this is a network of tubules which are involved in storage and transportation of substances within the cell. Okay, what is the function here? Storage plus transportation of the substances within the cell, and it has two parts. First is our smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum, and this small like structure are present. This is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and this is our smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and the function is there. What's the function? It involves in the storage and transportation of substances within the cell. Okay, within the cell, not outside the cell. Okay. Now next see about the cytoplasm. Here cytoplasm. Okay. These are the jelly like fluid that is found within the cell membrane. Here this like structure is known as cytoplasm, and it is formed within the cell membrane. Okay, but inside the nucleus there is no presence of cytoplasm. Okay class, thank you.